Alright, hey, what's up guys? This is day 3 and today was a really good day, and everything I've been talking about size and good risk reward, being comfortable in the trade, only playing what I know, turned out to be my favorite today, and I was very happy with it. So this is what I did. I played SPEX. I was away from my desk all day, and I think it was good just to take time off, just to really think about, just to clear my head. So now when I come back, I could be fresh and know what's good and what's bad. So right here you see volume come in, as you can tell. This is a low float biotech, I think. It is a biotech. First green day. And as you can see, it spiked, and it kept holding this all day. And you can see the trend. And this is a pretty common pattern around 1 o'clock. This VWAP claim, with volume, shorts getting squeezed. So when I could have bought the dip, but I came back to my computer right here. So I jumped in at 214. Also, I've been talking about how I'm going to do better risk so I could play the chart better with smaller size. So my risk for my dollar risk was $100. So my risk was the previous dip. So right here, previous dip. Around 206, 214, 206, so about like $80 to $100 risk. And I gotta say, I played out the chart a lot better. Let me prove it to you guys. See, but I didn't buy the dip here, but it's okay because usually I've been saying I'm going to buy dips, so spike. I came a little late, but it's okay because I still took in consideration my dollar risk to reward. So I was comfortable with $100 risk, and I still played out in my favor. Okay, so this is what happened. I bought at 214. I sold half because I'm trying to sell into strength and then let the rest run. Usually this would run, but it happened to be this one didn't. But I still got out into this because I was liking this, and I'm still trying to figure out how do I exactly do this. How do I let some run, and then how do I sell some and then let some run without, like losing all this? I could have gave up the rest here, but I wanted it to break, so I just let it run, and it failed on me, so I sold the rest here, which is okay. So I sold 233, which is perfect almost. 233. And then I was liking this. I thought it was going to break. Low float, short squeeze. I seen it happen time and time again. So I already took some gains, about half. And then I felt comfortable, right? I felt comfortable. I already had some money. My risk was okay. I kept moving my risk up. And then I kind of seen this little triangle forming. And I didn't want to see how this failed, this triangle. I didn't want to just sell and then it spike on me, so I was going to let it fail on me first. But I didn't let it get too far. I don't know if that's a good way to do it, but I'm still trying to figure my own style out. And alright, so 221. Alrighty. So I sold the rest at 221, about right here. And that was the trade. Okay, so small size, I still made $130 after fees, 109. So I sold into here. The strength. I'm trying to figure out, if anyone could comment, what do I do here? Do I let it panic on me and sell into that panic, or wait for a bounce? But that wouldn't make sense either. Or do I just get out and then just take the profits of our half? And then if it would have ran more, took more profits. If not, just get out? Or I don't know. That's something I'm still working on. All right, so let's go over. But that was my only trade today. So also, on the other note, I was always talking about being selective lately, 1 to 2 trades max. I took 1 trade, came out green, and that was good. Small size, protected gains. I didn't overtrade. I walked away. I played the price action. I didn't try to beat the market. This is familiar to me. Reclaim VWAP, whip volume, perfect time of day, low float, news, first green day. I mean, you know. I didn't overtrade. I have a list here of things that I have two lists from day 1 of my video and day 2 of things I got to work on. So we're going to go over that. All right, so day 1. Okay. I had a set risk reward, dollar risk. I felt comfortable, so I was okay in the trade. I didn't panic when something happened. I felt good. I respected my risk. Less trades. I protected my gains. I didn't try to juice the market. I didn't buy a bull trap. 1 to 2 trades. I sold some, let the rest ride, and didn't work out in my favor, but that's what you got to do. I sold into spikes. Good risk reward. And that was day 1. And I thought about it before I entered. That's another thing. Sometimes I don't hesitate and I just jump in, but there's certain ways where you don't hesitate and it's good, and there's certain ways where you get reckless. And this is pretty clear. I mean, look at this. You kind of like we kind of got like a little head and shoulder, a little bit, whatever. It looked good. It held. People are shorting up here. When it keeps holding, you know, shorts like, you know what, this is probably going to keep going. It's a biotechs. First day biotechs on news. Low float. You got to watch out. All right, now let's go over day 2 notes. Let's see what I had to say. Okay, so day 2, I shorted ECYT yesterday, and I got killed. And that was a forced trade. So today, I didn't short. I didn't force the trade. I waited for price action, let the trade come to me, and I reacted to price action. I didn't hesitate. I had a clear risk reward. I played small size. I had patience and reacted. 1 to 2 trades. And then I wrote down here, don't force trades. Don't force trades to make money. Random trading, random results. Perfect example of ECYT for me is when I just shorted into weakness thinking I just wanted to make money. Also, this is a marathon, not a sprint. So today was a little baby step on small size of me just becoming a better overall trader and controlling emotion and rules and things like that, and that's my goal right now. Yes, I was very selective. So also I have another paper here with key points of things. Discipline is key. Here I was very disciplined. Accept risk in every trade. I accepted $100 risk, no problem. Accept risk with small size. Accept the risk yet again, small size, just to really play the price action and feel comfortable, and then I can size up. It's kind of like a little punishment, but I think you gotta be able to do things like this to come out ahead. You know, like you really gotta discipline yourself because no one's really gonna do it for you, and also it's your money on the line, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know a lot of people that make videos like this and put it live, but I think this shit's really, really fucking helping. And sorry for cursing, but this shit is helping a lot because now I can watch this video. I can watch these next 3 videos tomorrow and write down the notes and then be like, all right, this is what I'm doing wrong, this is what I'm doing right. And I'm telling you, you got to train your mind a lot when it comes to money, because, you know, money can make you do crazy shit. And especially in this where most people just want to gamble and not come out ahead, or to get lucky and then lose it all in the next trade. So my goal right now is consistency with myself. I want to be more consistent with my how I play out a trade, my emotions. Just like I want it to be so I wake up, go in the market, and I don't really have to think too much about it, and I don't have to think too much about cutting losses. It's second nature at that point, and I just do it. You know what I mean? And yeah, that's what you got to think about. But this is a pattern you'll see time and time again. By the way, this is VWAP claim, and I've been playing this a lot actually. I've been seeing this a lot, and sometimes it'll break high a day. This was up a lot already up here. This was up like maybe like 80%. So, but you know, these things can run. Low biotechs, these fucking things would kill you. ECYT, for example. But yeah, I think these videos have helped me a lot because today I literally did everything on my list, all my lists that I have for the last few videos. Right, everything, legit everything. Let the winners run, cut it when it didn't work out the rest in my favor. And yeah, if you have any advice, just comment below. Thanks.